सभी को राम राम, जय श्री महाकाल. This is Renu Mangtani from the platform of Ankakshar Miracles, which is the Institute of Occult Sciences, Spiritual Activities and Research. And today we have Promila Devi Sutharsan Hudrom on the platform of Ankakshar Miracles. She is one amongst the 108 co-authors of the anthology books titled as My Marriage Bliss versus Curse and Seven Lay of Life. So hello Promila ji, how are you doing today?
Hi, hi everyone. Namaste, pranam to everyone. Welcome from Norway. I'm doing good. Lovely weather, lovely season of the year, which is summer. I think a shift between summer and spring. So
Right.
it is by June. Yeah, June. It's summer now. Summer has started. Yeah, it's June now, so summer has started. Yeah.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
love.
So before proceeding, we'll take the blessings from the God and we'll start a beautiful conversation from Norway.
Sure.
Yeah. कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि.
Om Namah Shivaya.
So before we start, I'll share something more about ma'am. And ma'am, let me know just that you're able to see the screen.
Yes, I am.
Yes. So, talking about ma'am, she has been a software engineer, eloquent writer, philanthropist, social activist, Meti Manipuri Hindi Pravasi, poet from Norway, mother of two little girls. I think the दोनों के नाम is Gayatri and Gauri, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and this is the beautiful cover, My Marriage Bliss versus Curse. This is Seven Lay of Life. This book has more than 2000 points in it. And this is the beautiful cover of Mobile Addiction 21 Simple Techniques to Remove or Reduce Mobile Addiction in Children or Students and Adults. So, this is basically a need of the hour book as people have got really addicted to the mobile. So, how do you manage your screen time? You can definitely get the techniques from it. And this is we have taken out some lines from the article of your My Marriage of Mom. Marriage is all about a compassion, a care, a share, a team, a compromise and compatibility. Together we stand, together we raise. And now I'll share with you all the current anthology details, which is a family puzzle. Title of the book is United or Divided Roots to Wings for Passing Bonds Across Generations. And ma'am is already a part of this project too. And what all you'll get in this, you'll get hard copy of the book, hard copy of publishing certificate, exclusive artwork of co-author, your elite portfolio, author's introduction with color photo in the book, an author identity card with lifetime membership. This card is basically going to be like as you go to the college and you have that amazing feeling wearing that card, so it will be like that. एंड अब जैसे प्रोमेला जी से मेरी बातें हो रही हैं उसी तरह से पॉडकास्ट होगा. ट्रॉफी एंड मेडल ऑफ को ऑथरशिप, मीडिया कवरेज टू प्रमोट ईच को ऑथर ऑफ बुक, hard copy of the book Mobile Addiction signatured by authors. So this book is authored by me and my husband Abhishek Chitransh, who is the founder and CEO of Ankakshar Miracles, an expert numerologist. So you'll get its copy totally free. Also, we have our magazine available on Maxter with the name Ankakshar Miracles. So you will get a chance to get featured in it, surprise goodies and much more. और ये जो फोटोज आप देख रहे हैं ये हमारे हैप्पी को ऑथर्स हैं अब तक की जो हमारी एंथोलॉजी की जर्नी चल रही है. एंड दिस विल नॉट स्टॉप एंड विल हैव लॉट्स ऑफ सरप्राइजेस एंड मेनी मोर थिंग्स फॉर यू ऑल. So let's not take much time of ma'am and let's start. She is a beautiful personality from the city of Norway since 20 years. Is She has been residing over there. And she is here with us, all of us today, as an internationally certified published co author. And she says that love life, live life, and life is so beautiful. This was a powerful starting of her article. So, ma'am, could you explain in detail about the concept of marriage with the examples you have shared in your article, namely, as to how husbands have been contributing in the home equally, then with right comes the responsibility. So, how to do the upbringing of kids? Is that it only the mother or only father does it? Or kind of how do you see marriage as with lots of emotions in it? Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, marriage is very sacred, I would say, because it's something, if you take it, like if you marry someone, then keep it as a sacred relationship, because it is not just about two different people from two different family, from two different world come together, but it is those two different people make one family from making one gene and one lineage. So I would say that it is very important that if you have decided to marry, keep up to it, because it is really in today's world where we see so many divorces and so many remarriages. It's a very difficult question now whether kids today's generation want to marry or not, because nowadays ladies want to be a single mother. Fathers like Karan Johar, we have seen he is also a single father, and many so on and so forth. This implies in India to celebrities because they can afford to, they can show to the society and keep up to it. But normal people is also coming up slowly. I would say marriage is also very imagine at the age, like now I'm above 40, at this age it is difficult to even live with somebody, anybody, your sibling, your parent, your my mother who's so attached to me. Even with her I will have like issues, like kabhi kabar decision ke issues hote hain. There are issues like there are things which I'm against and she's for and all that. Imagine a person who's from outside world and you're living with him day and night, in the same house, how it will be. So it is a big compromise. You have to sometimes keep quiet. When one person is angry, one person has to be quiet, and so on and so forth. And raising the kid, it is because it is both the kids, both the husband and wife's kids. So they both have to come together and raise them. Like if mother feeds the kid, father can take them out for a walk, or for the, what do you call that? In the Leke Plus means the play area where people, if the kids are small, if they're big, then papa can take them to activities, mama can do their chores, and you have to like divide tasks, because it is very important that one person do something and another, because in today's world ladies are equally working and equally qualified, in fact more qualified than men sometimes. uh, but at the same time it is very important that they both come together and raise family as a union, like Shiva and Parvati. Like in Hinduism, we say, क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें, अर्धनारीश्वर, या उनके जो यूनियन को क्या बोलते हैं, देर इज अ वर्ड आई फॉरगॉट, समथिंग, अर्धनारीश्वर, husband and
Right,
wife
right,
union.
right.
And even in China, we say yin and yang and all that. So two people coming together and making a union and making the family tree grow and make it flourish and everything. Marriage is not a joke. It is really not a, it is not a, it's a serious relationship which we come together and make it live eternal. And I would say that if you are not up to it, don't go for it. If you're taking marriage seriously, then take it really seriously and go for it. Because in today's world, it so happens that over in Norway, the overnight you get divorced. You just have to sign a online divorce petition and you just get divorced. So it's very sad though, but it is a very sacred relationship. Keep up to it and make the coming generation feel proud about it and make them feel that it is not a joke. It is really serious. So, yeah, it is both of them coming together, hand in hand, working together, raising the kid. And progeny has to come. Otherwise, how will the world survive? How will the next generation come? If everybody not get married and stay single, and then there'll be no next generation. And the next generation has to be better than us genetically. So, because I've studied genetic code in biology, my professor was specialized in genetics. So, I understood that two different part of the world is the best combination of marriage, because you have no genetic disorders and transferring to your kids. But at the same time, you have to see family and all that, which we see always, because you just can't marry anybody. And so I would say that जितना दूर होता है genetic code husband or wife का, which is better for the next generation, for the progeny. And rest is what we see today, so many good examples of marriages. And in front of me, there are so many um, examples of marriage which I look up to, and I think it is a very good it's a very good thing that we marry and keep that relation up to the mark. And respect is very important in marriage. Before love comes respect, then comes caring, क्योंकि बाद बाद में लव चला जाता है, फिर आती है caring and respect and एक दूसरे का and when you're old age, then you have to stand for each other. कभी आपने कुछ कर दिया, आपने खाना बना दिया, and because
It is
like my
both the
parents,
way.
it's both the way, because now I see my mother is old and my dad always cook for her, and my mother do the cutting and all that, because she cannot cook and eat herself, because उनको फिर वो smell से वो होता है. So they do together, and I think it's a very good thing that we have a companion. एक साथी हो और क्या चाहिए, और लाइफ में सभी को साथी की जरूरत होती है. Everybody needs a companion. Marriage is a companion. It starts from love, it continue go on for caring, and then companion. And that's what I've said in my book also. Companionship is very important, which everybody looks for in life. No man can live alone.
Right, so one
uh,
has to understand that ऐसा नहीं है कि men's cannot do, और men's का जो काम है that is only up to the office or their business works. They have to come up from this attitude, and as you said and as you have written in your article also, it has to be both the ways now. As women have also become empowered, she is also working, she also needs some time, she also needs the help, she has to look after the kids also. So अगर दोनों लोग मिलके करेंगे तो it is going to be really a beautiful relationship. So that's what
because
is the brief from the answer. And moving on, ma'am, since you have chosen Hindi as your core language and you have written books too in Hindi, and future ones we'll see in English and Norwegian too. So can you name your authored books and where one can get those books available to read it?
my first two books, it's here, Ayush and Mera To Ye Main Bhi Nahi. This is
Mhm.
available worldwide in Amazon, and in India there is in Flipkart, Blue Rose site and all that. So it's widely available, and a good deal of sale has happened and still happening. People are liking it, and I'm very glad about it. Hindi I chose because Hindi come automatic to me, because I'm brought up in Pune, and in a KV with people from all parts of India, and teachers focusing more on advanced Hindi. So Hindi has become a core of me, and I'm very proud about my schooling and my teachers, and I very much look up to them. Because of them, I'm here, and my Sanskrit sir, because of which I took Sanskrit seriously, and I really salute them, and unko pranam hai. They made me what I'm today because of them. Thanks to them, Srivastava ma'am, BD Joshi sir, Sheikh ma'am, and many other. History, geography तो होता रहता है. That's okay. But language is very important.
So we are
Literature.
proud से despite you stay international, but you आपने उस हिंदी का, उस राष्ट्र भाषा का सम्मान रखा है. So which is actually about the words, and that's really speechless. So इसको जितना इसका सराहा जाए से और जितनी इसकी तारीफ की जाए उतना कम है. Because once people start staying international तो वो अपने आप में ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ जाता है वहां जाने के बाद. But you have not left that, so which is actually great.
Hmm.
So,
I
and you say that, yes, you were saying something?
I prefer speaking Hindi to my friends also, to my mama, to my all my Indian friends, and Norwegian to my friends who are Norwegian, although they can speak English, because respect the language. Literature is so beautiful. And when you live in Norway, as it is, there are only 5 to 7 million people. If you will not speak, then the language will obsolete over time. Nobody will speak, and people go into, which is already happening with English. And in Oslo, everybody do speak English. And it is before 20 years ago when I was in Oslo, that wasn't the case. So language is very beautiful, and it has to be preserved. चाहे वो कोई सी भी भाषा हो, let it be Hindi, let it be Norwegian, Swedish, Finnish, or any language. Even in India, we have different languages, and we have to respect that, and flourish the language. Literature is beautiful. Yeah, you were saying something?
Right. Yes, next question. Pramila ji is saying that two different souls from two different worlds creates a family tree. So on it, I have a question, ma'am, since you're a part of our current anthology too, with 108 co-authors titled as Family Puzzle Roots to Passing Bonds Across Generations. So according to you, how is the title of the book? Why the budding authors and experienced personalities join this project?
I think it's a very good topic because I must say that what Ankakshar Miracles is doing in this field of family and pursuing marriage and Seven Lee of Life, where they talk about learning, earning, and what is expectations. So it's a very good thing. I mean, people which well I think marriage ka to it's the first book which has so many authors and coming together or anthology bani hai, which is a very good thing. So taking this family world, family life to the world's arena is a very good thing, and I see that our books have gone far beyond many libraries and many countries and all that, which is a very good thing. So I think family ka jo puzzle aapne, the book which you have made it, which is coming up now, is a very good idea, and we need that in today's world. The topic about family is getting vanished. People like to be independent. People want to
Right.
be alone. People want to be solitude, which is a good thing. But family is necessary to make the human race go ahead and a better gene than us. So I think it's a very good topic, and go ahead with it. And I'm totally supporting Ankakshar Miracles with these beautiful anthologies which you're coming up with, and very nice, very very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for all the love and respect.
Mhm. Yeah.
ऑल्सो मैं मैम के इतने सारे अवार्ड्स देखती हूँ और इतना सारा शी इज डूइंग फॉर द लिटरेचर एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड वंस सो ऑन दैट यू हैव बीन praised awarded in the field of literature for the poems holding deep emotions it waves. So your audience fans is waiting to hear today few of the poems live from you now. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, then actually there are many poetries. I will select some आयुष्य से पढ़ती हूँ because they are
Sure, sure.
motivation, nationalism के ऊपर है,
Whenever
राष्ट्रीयता।
I come to the Instagrams, there is something रहता ही है प्रोमिला जी का, कोई ना कोई पोयम पढ़ लो तो एकदम से मन फ्रेश हो जाता है, एकदम से ऐसे एनर्जी आ जाती है, मुझे तो एकदम एक्साइटमेंट आ जाता है कि चलो आज कुछ नया पढ़ के कुछ तो नया करेंगे. शी हैज बीन ऑलवेज राइटिंग वेरी मोटिवेशनल. सो लेट्स लिसन इट.
15. I randomly select one poem.
श्योर.
Uh, Go to page number 15. Vijay. It's about वीर जवानों के ऊपर है.
बिल्कुल.
ए वीर सुनो तुम विजयी हो, उठो न मानो हार अपनी, न आज न कभी तुम उठो ए वीर सुनो. तुम आए थे कई रूप में ये जाना, तुम आएंगे और कई धूप में पहचाना. ए वीर सुनो तुम विजयी हो. वो साहसी वो शूरवीर, वही श्रेष्ठ वही उत्कृष्ट योद्धा जो राह पर निकले अपने, विजयी हो ये युद्ध जो. ए वीर सुनो तुम विजयी हो. तेज इतना कि अभी क्षितिज पार ना पोना, सूर्य की किरणें जितनी अंबर सा ऊंचा उठना. शेष अभी है युद्ध जो, विजयी होकर ही आना. सत्य यही मेरा भारत, यश कीर्ति ही पहचाना.
क्या
ए
बात.
वीर सुन तुम विजयी हो. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग पोएट्री. आई डिडंट नो इतना लंबा पोएट्री है. हाँ, आई थिंक इतना इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट इट्स अबाउट valor and bravery and शूरवीरता in Hindi, I
राइट,
would
राइट.
say. It's a lovely poetry. तो मैंने लिखी थी बिकॉज जब मैं सुनती हूँ ऐसे देशभक्ति के पोइट्री, तो मुझ में भी जोश आता है. आई गेट like excited. Let's write now. So I write down, and I love to hear.
And a salute and Jai Hind to our soldiers, because of them we are sitting over here. क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी जान को रिस्क में डाल के they are at the borders. That's the reason we are here. So बहुत ही beautiful लिखा है मैम आपने. That's really
Thank
great. और कुछ सुनाना चाहेंगे आप? मुझे लगता है अभी रिसेंटली अपने माँ के ऊपर कोई पोयम
आप
बोली हुई
सुनोगे?
कुछ है।
Shall I
बिल्कुल
read out?
बिल्कुल। यस यस, हो जाए मैम।
बहुत अच्छी पोइट्री है एक्चुअली। क्या है ना, आई वुड से, आई थिंक इन द एंथोलॉजीज, दिस इज माय सजेशन, कम अप विद मदर का भी एंथोलॉजी पे आओ,
श्योर।
बिकॉज समथिंग कि माँ जो है ना, वी ऑल इग्नोर, स्पेशली आवर मदर्स फ्रॉम आवर जनरेशन, हमारी मम्मियाँ जो हम जो हैं और हमारे बाद हैं, दैट इज अनदर पार्ट, बट द our mothers have done so much. Many being highly educated had quit their education because उस समाज में उस समय they used to be mother who are homemakers.
राइट।
Even if you are studied high studied, even आप महाराजा फैमिली से हैं, you are a homemaker, थोड़ा बहुत हॉबीज कर लिए and all that. बट आई वुड से कि माँ को हमेशा इग्नोर किया जाता है. एंड इवन इन नॉर्वे आई सी लेडीज हु आर वर्किंग, कुछ चीजें इट इज द लेडीज ओनली हु डू, लाइक कुकिंग, एंड सम थिंग्स naturally comes to the ladies का शेयर में, it comes to the share of the lady. So let me read out the poetry about Ma. Ma
श्योर।
means mother. It's in Hindi. uh, Most of my audiences can understand who are from India. So Ma. सबसे सुंदर मेरी माँ, सबसे प्यारी मेरी माँ,
क्या बात है।
सबसे अनोखी मेरी माँ, ये कहते कभी सभी न थकते, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। स्वयं भूखे रह लेगी किंतु बच्चों को भूखे न रहने देगी, सारे घर का काम स्वयं करेगी, कि छुट्टी का कोई नाम नहीं, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। सभी को अवकाश मिले परंतु माँ के लिए न दिन न रात, केवल अपने कार्य को संपूर्ण कर ही आराम की श्वास लेती है माँ, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। और जो काम पर भी जाए फिर यह नहीं कि कुछ रह जाए, माँ होती ही है ऐसी कर्तव्य परायण, निष्ठावान और भावनापूर्ण, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। और कभी पूछ लिया जाए आप करती क्या हैं, तो बस यही कह दे मैं हूं माँ बच्चों की, क्या यह काफी नहीं? कहने को कुछ नहीं पर जाना जाए तो अनंत असीम कार्यरत हो, ये माँ ही कर सकती है, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। मेरी माँ कहती थी एक बच्चे को बनाना एक राष्ट्र बनाने जैसा होता है। माँ एक राष्ट्र बनाती है, हाँ हर माँ एक राष्ट्र बनाती है, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। माँ एक वंश बनाती है, माँ एक राष्ट्र बनाती है, माँ एक कुटुंब एक स्वर्णिम स्वर्ग बनाती है। माँ के आशीर्वाद मात्र से सभी कार्य सफल, और माँ के आंचल में एक सुंदर संसार होता है, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी। अगर यह सौभाग्य मिले कि मैं भी एक माँ, मैंने भी एक राष्ट्र बनाया है, मैंने भी कुछ कमाया है, बच्चों का प्यार और एक सुंदर संसार, क्या यही स्वर्ग है? क्या इसीलिए ही मातृ देवो भव कहते हैं शायद, कि देव माँ ही, यही सत्य अटल, क्योंकि माँ होती ही है ऐसी।
क्या बात है। Salute
थैंक
to
यू।
all those mothers. Really, it was really great with very deep thoughts. बिकॉज जैसे
दिस
आपने बताया ना, उनको जो है इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं मिला है जितना उन्होंने काम किया है। कोई सुनना नहीं चाहता है। पीपल आर जस्ट बिजी एंड कह सकते हैं, जैसे आपने उस चीज को बताया है कि मेंस हैव आल्सो टू कंट्रीब्यूट ओवर हियर। सो पुराने जमाने में जो था कि इफ शी इज अ होम मेकर इट्स हर जॉब, उसे ही करना है बिकॉज शी इज अ होम मेकर, वाई मेंस विल डू। सो दिस हैज टू रियली चेंज। एंड इसी तरीके से प्रोमिला जी हमारी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट्स एंथोलॉजी बुक की भी पार्ट रह चुकी हैं, को ऑथर रह चुकी हैं। शी हैज प्रेजेंटेड दैट बुक इन दी नॉर्वेज नेशनल लाइब्रेरी, राइट? इज दैट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग? यस। सो
I'm correct. It's come also. It's come in the library, in the what do you call that, database. I have to find it because there are many books and I have to find the ISBN and search it. And once it come, I'll confirm it. So I have put it in the library and it has come as far as I know.
यस, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट। सो इस तरीके से वुमेन्स के ऊपर जो है, जैसे मैम ने बताया है, सो डेफिनेटली आज इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू इन थॉट्स को जो भी सुन रहा है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वुमेन्स आर नॉट लेस देन एनीवन, शी इज अनस्टॉपेबल। बस एक सपोर्ट की जरूरत है और एक पुश की जरूरत है, then she can do anything for you. She is working also and she is looking after kids also, she is looking after the home also. So she is really unstoppable. So it was really great poem, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your deep thoughts towards the society. One will definitely learn when will listen to it. एंड चलिए ज्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए मैम आप शेयर करिए लाइक 7 ली ऑफ लाइफ से क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी आप टू द ऑडियंस।
Sevenly of life, if I see myself learning, I would say, in short, learning is the traditional education which made me think more logical and more practical. Because education तो सभी लेते हैं, सभी के पास एजुकेशन है, ग्रेजुएशन तक तो सभी ले ही लेते हैं, बट उससे आपने क्या सीखा, उससे आपने लाइफ में व्हाट डिड यू अप्लाई दैट टू द to the life, and including me, I've studied so much, but I end up being a writer, that to Hindi writer. So what did I learn? But in my poetry, you see that there is a wisdom in my poetry, and there is a lot of knowledge backside of the knowledge which is involved in the writings and all that. And I write a lot of write-ups and articles and all that, columns and all that. So that you can see that it is reflected there.
ऑल योर
So
एक्सपीरियंसेस आर देयर।
yes, so learning is like what I've learned from life, my wisdom, because now I'm not a very young girl who is like a girlish. So I've learned over the time the experiences, my education, learning as a mother, and learning as a wife, learning as a daughter, and that is, I would say, that has made me what I am today. My earnings, the first earning is my kids, because when I was young, I was not ready to be a mother. And when I became mother, I think that was the best thing ever happened to me. And for a woman, if she can be proud of her kids, what else does she need? So I am proud of my kids, and that is my biggest earning. And they made me proud. They come and kiss me. They make cards for me. They always send beautiful reels or whatever, short वो अपना they make themselves, थोड़ा सा editing करके डालते हैं, mama if you are tired I'm there, if you I care for you, I love you, and छोटे छोटे penguin के video. So that is my earning. And expectation, I would say that when I was young, I was very ambitious, and I had plans, big plans. Like I had to make orphanages and things like that. Jo hua nahi, but I do help philanthropically, whatever in my range, whatever I can do to small kids, a meal a day, a bag for the kids, water bottle, whatever I can, saris for the vidwa, the widow ladies. तो जो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ, I do little bit. नहीं तो, but who knows, I still have 20, 30, or maybe 40 years more. Then I can do something if it is in my range or it's in my this thing. So that is my expectation, that I want to do something for the society. I really think what I am today, God has given me abundance, and I'm very glad that I got everything in life. I never repent for anything, or I never cry for something that I never got it. So I want the society to get that thode level pay in a small level, whatever I can do on my behalf. So that's what my dream is, कि जितना भी मैं कर सकूं, I try to do. I always try to help strangers in small, minimum possible way, and tell them to give it to somebody else when they have abundance, and instead of returning me back, if there is something, whatever, in whatever way, financially or materially or whatever. So I think it's a very good gesture that यू गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी. हम आज जो हैं वो समाज के वजह से ही हैं. वी लिव इन अ सोसाइटी, वी टेक फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, एंड आफ्टर अ सर्टन एज वी शुड गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी. That is the norm of a human cycle, human circle. So it's very important that you respect your society where you live in, and you give it back in whatever little and small ways, which many of my counterparts are doing, and I'm also doing in my way. So which is a good thing.
दैट्स रियली थॉटफुल मैम एंड आपने स्टार्ट कर ही दिया है सिंस यू हैव बीन सपोर्टिंग टू द अंडर प्रिविलेज कम्युनिटी। एंड आपका ये सपना जो आप कह रहे हैं कि आप ऑर्फनेज स्टार्ट करना चाहते थे, वी विश यू अ लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस एंड प्रेयर्स फॉर यू। अब डेफिनेटली आपका ये सपना भी जरूर पूरा होगा बिकॉज यू हैव बीन ऑलरेडी डूइंग अ लॉट फॉर द सोसाइटी। सो दैट्स रियली थॉटफुल फॉर यू। एंड चलिए आइए जानते हैं मैम के बारे में कुछ और खास। एज अभी तो हमें पता लग गया शी इज अ क्वीन ऑफ लिटरेचर। So how about your hobbies, ma'am? How do you explore more yourself in your free time?
Uh, Well, to start with time, I would say that time is something I feel at this stance of my life that is the most precious. Every day I feel agar if Ishwar could give me 2 3 hours more per day, so I can do what I want to. But I would say that because of the limited time, I had dreams to do many things when I was young. You know, astrology bhi karni hai, Vedas bhi padna hai, mathematics bhi karna because I was very good in maths. तो आई वांट टू डू मैथमेटिक्स इन अ वेरी हाई लेवल, यू नो, पीएचडी वगैरह, लॉ भी करना है एंड बट अब जाके एट दिस एज आई रियलाइज टेक ओनली वन थिंग, focus in that and life will end soon. You never know कब खत्म हो जाएगी, you know. So I took writing with which I can make the young generation understand about life and be positive and be optimistic and be shauryavan, be brave, be put up your head and always live with pride, you know. So that comes with words, and that's why I took words as my focus with this little time which I have. करने को तो बहुत कुछ है. There's a lot I want to do. I still want to learn piano, guitar, or veena. I even started it but couldn't continue because life after kids is a total different challenge for a mother. So for the time being, I write. Mid of the night, I get up, I write a poetry. Daytime, when I have time, I have background music all the time. Sometimes ghazals, sometimes rag based music, sometimes happy, you know, with the beats. I'm not very like what do you call that? That English music में जो drums वाले होते हैं ना, जो बहुत loud, वो break dance वाले,
Mm-hmm.
पता नहीं क्या होता है. I'm not into that, but I am more into soothing music. So I think music I've take up very seriously, and I listen to it all the time in the background. Only when there is meeting, I switch off the music. Otherwise, music is my hobby and writing is my life and my family, my kids. That's how I am.
So
And
with writing, you have already given back to the society a lot. You have transforming the society, then a generation and also a nation. So very big that you are doing. And also जैसे आपने शेयर किया कि बुक्स जो हैं बहुत ही बड़ी बड़ी जगहों पे पहुंची हैं. So I'm happy to share with you all that My Marriage and Seven Lee of Life has been placed in University of Mumbai and University of Pune and National Book Trust India. So सारे 108 co-authors हम लोगों के साथ, मेरे साथ और मेरे हस्बैंड अभिषेक जी के साथ, सारे के सारे को ऑथर्स वहां पे प्लेस हुए हैं. और आप नहीं जानते आपने कितना बड़ा काम किया है सब लोगों ने. बट कोई भी रीड करेगा आपका आर्टिकल, आज पता नहीं कौन प्रोमिला जी का आर्टिकल रीड करके अपनी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर जाए, क्या अचीव कर जाए. क्योंकि हम रहें या ना रहें बट किताबें जरूर रहेंगी. आज आपने लिखा है, आपके बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, उनके बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, कौन पढ़ेगा कुछ पता नहीं है. सो आप भी जुड़ सकते हैं, आप भी इंटरनेशनली सर्टिफाइड पब्लिश को ऑथर बन सकते हैं. केवल 2 पेज के आर्टिकल से आप किसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, किसकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, यू नेवर नो. सो आइए बढ़ते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. मैम, हाउ वुड यू रेकमेंड टू द न्यू ऑथर्स हु वांट्स टू शेयर देयर वर्ड्स थॉट्स इन द सोसाइटी थ्रू द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ अंकाक्षर मिरेकल्स?
I think please join our anthologies because the project which Ankakshar has taken is worth saluting for. Writing about marriages, writing about Seven Lee of Life with so many authors. Imagine you're running a company with 10 people. How would you manage them? उसके कितने challenges होते हैं. Imagine authors जो moody होते हैं. Authors who are moody and you manage them 108 and further on, which is the future we are planning, like Ankakshar is planning for a larger audience, larger author audience. So it's not easy. It's really not easy. So I must say salute to you guys doing a great job and taking it really seriously, you know, and at least I'm there always for the future anthologies. And I would suggest my friends who are listening, please join. Give your ideas, give your views, give your opinion. We need that. The world needs it because so many people's views who are in a good stance, in a good stature in life, hearing from them, from their wisdom, is something which the world needs to know, especially the coming generation. So I think it's doing a very good job and keep up to it, you know.
Thank
So
you.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for all the love and respect and your valuable piece of advices, your thoughts, your deep thoughts, we can say your motivational tips and what not. You are truly inspirational. पोयम से लेके आपके अचीवमेंट्स के से लेके सारा कुछ, इट वाज रियली अ नाइस टॉक, इट वाज नाइस मीटिंग यू। थैंक्स फॉर योर वैल्यूबल टाइम। तब तक के लिए बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए अंकाक्षर मिराकल्स के साथ। दिस वॉज प्रोमिला देवी जी विथ रेनू मंगतानी। तब तक के लिए बने रहिए। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। जल्दी ही
थैंक
मिलेंगे
यू।
अगली न्यू को ऑथर के साथ। बाय बाय।
बाय बाय, नमस्ते, प्रणाम।
नमस्ते।